As your hair started to become too long to cope with, so much so that you end up stepping on it and falling over as a result, then you're going to want to get yourself a hair clip. Since owning a hair clip, my life has changed slightly. This is what all the fuss is about. As you can see, the technology is state of the art. It comes in this powerfully purple, shiny design. If we flip it over, you can see this design, which looks like some teeth, and I think that is really stylish. If we turn it the other way, we can see some exposed metal, and that is always useful. In terms of weight, it's not too heavy, and I can successfully carry it in one hand without too much lactic acid building up in my arm. So you should successfully be able to carry it for at least 20 seconds before your arm will start aching. But remember, this is not its primary use. It's not really an exercise device, although you can get some great gains with it. So I'd highly recommend using this as an exercise tool once you finish using it for your hair. So in order to activate this hair clip technology, what you're going to want to do is to pry the teeth open at the back here. So you'll need to exert a ridiculous amount of force at the back here in order to get the teeth open. I'd recommend using around 2 or possibly 3 people if you have them. I don't have any people available, so I'm going to have to do this all myself using all the strength that I've developed earlier when I was lifting it up. So I'm going to try and open this now by pressing these things together. Let's see if it's possible. I did it. I had to use all my strength though. Once the teeth are open like this, then you're then free to apply it on your body, preferably on your hair, but I think it can be used for other body parts, so we'll just test that out now. My nose. What kind of evil torture device is this? Am I bleeding? Don't think so, but I think my nose has been punctured. You have to be careful with this device. It is lethal. I'm not sure I want to wear this anymore, but for the purpose of the video and for being brave and noble, I'm going to have to do it anyway. So what you're going to want to do now is to find some untamable hair and control it. I'll just see if there's any hair available that I can use. Yes, I've got a bit of a clump here, so we can now apply the hair clip on. Try and do this one-handed now, it's even harder. There we go. So you just apply it on the hair. It causes sizable pain, but I think it's latched on now. Despite the pain, it is extremely stylish, so I do have to give it credit there. Also, it is keeping my hair in place, and that is extremely important when you have hair as long as mine. So now I have to ask the question, is it worth it? Absolutely not. Need to get this thing off now. Ah, 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 ah. My hair is still stinging from the pain, so this is definitely not for me, but maybe you will like this product if you're a fan of pain and misery. I'm going to go now and see if I can find a plaster because I think the hair clip has wounded my scalp. So I'm going to catch you later. I'll see you. Thank goodness the video has ended because I just can't cope with the searing pain that the hair clip has caused me. But at least now I can let out a big cry of relief, and that should help me. Why did it do this? need a plaster for this as well.